hearing lots about your concept of tea in the news these days. Why, tell us more about it.
Friends, myself Parthopratim Ganguly, owner of Nirjash. 6 January of 2014, I have started my business Nirjash, the Flavor Ultimate. Before that, I was in a private firm. From that time, I love tea. This type of teas, flavor tea or black tea. After then, I think that let's do something innovative. So I started my profession as a tea seller.
Can you tell us what type of tea do you sell? I've heard your tea is for 1,000 rupees a cup. That's quite steep, right, Mini? So can you tell us who is your target market? What is the price range and why have you priced it so high?
Yes, I have a cup of tea in my stall which cost 1,000 rupees a cup. The name of the tea is Silver Needle White Tea. This is the purest tea of the world and it contains a lot of exclusive antioxidants which are very much health beneficial and antimicrobial activities. मेरा टारगेट मार्केट रोड साइड में जो रिक्शा पुलर है उनसे शुरू करके मल्टी बिलियनियर कंपनी के जो सीईओ है सभी के लिए हर किस्म की चाय मेरे पास है तो पूरा मार्केट ही मेरा टारगेट है.
Most of the people in India consume tea. Wherever you are, in whichever city, tea is the most consumed beverage in India for sure. And I think Partha agrees to that totally.
But there are coffee lovers like me as well, Koku.
Mr. Partha, do you have anything for Mini? Any type of coffee? Since we are only talking about tea, I'm sure you should make coffee products as well.
Yes.
Yeah, I have something special tea which tastes just like coffee. You can't differentiate after having a sip that either you are having the coffee or tea. And the name, it will be announced very shortly.
So can you tell us, can we buy these products online or one has to come to your cafe and then buy it? How does it work for you?
Surely you can buy this product from me, but I am just going to launch my website very soon. Till that, you can contact me through my Facebook page and on Google. Nirjash is on Google, or my phone number 9830486429. You can directly call me and place your order. Your pack will be delivered soon to your residence by courier.
Can you tell our viewers how and why tea is so good for health? What are the benefits? Most of us in India or outside India love tea. We drink it. It's our favorite beverage. But we don't know the benefits of tea. Can you share your views on that?
How different type of tea help human beings, human body. मैं सीधा चले जाता हूँ जैसे कैमोमाइल, ओलोंग, ग्रीन टी, वाइट टी, मेक टी, ब्लू टी, हर्ब, लैवेंडर, वाइनो, जितनी भी चाय है वो सभी चाय बहुत सारा एंटीऑक्सीडेंट कैरी करता है जैसे पॉलीफेनॉल्स, क्यूरसेटिन, नोटोफैजिन, टेफ्लेवियस, विटामिन सी, कैल्शियम, मैग्नीशियम, बेइकालिन, ऐसे बहुत सारे एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स जो कैरी करता है. ये एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स से हमारा शरीर का जो इंसोमिनिया, एंजाइटी, डिप्रेशन, ट्यूमर, हाई बीपी, कोलेस्ट्रॉल, डायबिटिक से शुरू करके आपका डिप्रेशन, हमारा जो ऑस्टियोआर्थराइटिस और या ऑस्टियोपोरोसिस, ऐसे ADHD, अटेंशन डेफिसिट हाइपर एक्टिविटी, CFS, क्रॉनिक फैटिक सिंड्रोम, ऐसे जितनी भी बीमारी है सभी को धीरे धीरे आप दूर कर सकते हैं. दिस इज द मेन थिंग टी कैन डू. इसलिए कहते हैं दैट टी कैन डू वंडर.
So we've received some amazing piece of information from Partha today. Thanks Partha for your time with Koku and Mini.